Hi, Learning Coaches. This is Mrs. Tinsley. I just wanted to send a quick update for you as this week is going to be a short week with spring break coming up and also with me being out of the office. I just wanted you guys to have any information that you needed for this week. So I'm just going to go over some reminders for you guys, and this is all in your newsletter and in the weekly updates that have been emailed out to you. Quick reminder that March 15th, that would be this Thursday, Friday through the following week, is all spring break. So if your student is behind in any of their lessons in the online school, please make sure to utilize that week and that time to get caught up on their lessons. You will just go to the progress area, click on that specific course, and then you can click on the specific lessons because you won't have daily plan to choose from. So you have to click on the unit list. Also, please make sure that you guys are practicing and working on our dibbles. That is going to be coming up really quickly at the end of April. So after spring break, the time just goes by really fast. So please make sure you guys are working really hard in Raz-Kids, practicing our dibbles, practice documents that we've sent out so that your student is ready for that dibbles. The goal for the end of the year is 47 words a minute. So please make sure that you're utilizing those weekly fluency practices that we send out to practice timing your student for a minute of their stories. Next thing is just a quick reminder that work samples are due April 15th. If your student enrolled later this semester, so January, February, March, you are going to have a separate work sample, and that was already emailed out to you. The other students that enrolled at the beginning of this school year, this is what you will be submitting. You'll have your writing, your math, and then the Raz-Kids story. Also remember that you have 2 hours a month in Study Island to work on. April and May Study Island will be combined together, so you'll have 2 hours for those 2 months. Okay, just kind of as a heads up for that. Lastly, I'm just going to skip right on over through this. The appendix math course. If this course is something that you have not started yet or not nearly completed yet, that's completely fine. You do want to start working on those lessons as those need to be completed by the end of the year. They will get, you only have 7 of them, but definitely don't forget about this course. Okay, you should see it on your plan only 1 day a week, so just make sure that it's getting completed. If you have not watched this video for your writing lessons, this is a great helpful informational video for you as your students, if your student is struggling with writing, I would suggest watching that. Unit 16 for some of you is coming up really quick in your literature lessons. This is important because Unit 16 and Unit 4 in our literature course, we do not supply the books through K-12 for this unit. You will need to click on this link here in your newsletter, and it will show you the book selections that you can choose from. Please make sure you check out the library. You can even sometimes YouTube the videos or the story. Sometimes you can find an online version as well. So please make sure that you're preparing yourself for this. If you have some troubles, I know some libraries are out of some of the books, just email me and let me know and we can talk about what to do, but you'll want to make sure that you're preparing yourself for that. Our sight word reader is going so great. This is a session that you see on Fridays. Every week in your weekly updates, we send out to you your Star Reader Sight Word Challenge words to practice. Please make sure, and if you don't have that, you can always click the link here to go to the Weebly page to get it. Please make sure that you're practicing those sight words every day. Even if your student has them mastered, we still want you to practice. And then on Fridays at 8, so our next one will be on March 30th at 8 a.m., your student can come in, read these words to us, and if they have them memorized, we will send out a certificate to them. Okay, so we love to hear you guys read. Keep practicing those sight words. Here's another great reading resource for books. If you would like to find if they have some specific books available, you can click here and there's a password and login information for that. Lastly, don't forget our sight word or our Study Island challenge that's going on currently this month through the end of March. And then also in our newsletter, we have a lot of helpful videos. You guys, I think some of us forget that this is here in our newsletter. So if you're struggling with something or you have a specific question, please utilize some of these here. Different tips on how to keep your student on track, finding lessons from the living room, creating a work schedule for your day. Sometimes that can be challenging. So I encourage you to take a look at these videos because I know that they can be helpful to some of you. Also, some great websites. These might come in handy during spring break when your student says, I'm bored. Utilize some of these helpful websites to keep them busy and engaged. And there's also a lot of other information in our newsletter, so I encourage you to take a look at that. Lastly, the other things are the last 2 pages are some writing focus and math focus. I'd encourage you to take this out and take a look at it over spring break, possibly let your students see if they can complete this. There's some good practice material for them for this month. All right, well, I hope that you guys have a wonderful spring break, and I appreciate your time watching this just helpful quick video on some updates that are coming up this month. For those of you that have older students, remember that the beginning of April is our AZ Merit testing. All of the teachers will be out throughout that first 2 or so weeks of April. So if you have any questions or concerns about anything and you're not able to get a hold of a teacher during that time, just keep in mind there is AZ Merit testing going on, and we will respond as soon as possible. Have a great day and a good spring break, and thank you so much for your hard work. Bye, everyone.